Hey there beautiful people, today I'm back with another DIY face mask for clear and bright skin. If you're new to my channel then hit the subscribe button and let's get started to the video.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby.
To prepare this face mask for clear and bright skin, the first ingredient is gram flour. Gram flour cleanses skin and is used in numbers of DIY face masks, even to remove tan from skin. It lightens skin complexion and helps in excluding blackheads from face. Our next ingredient is cream. Here I am using Amul cream. So here I took 2 teaspoons of gram flour and now adding 1 teaspoon of fresh cream into this. Cream moisturizes skin very well and is one of the best ingredients to use in a face mask during winters. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of fresh tomato juice. Tomato juice gives a glow to skin and also clears skin complexion at some points. I am adding 1 teaspoon of fresh tomato juice into this face mask. Now I am mixing all the ingredients together to get a smooth paste. You can increase or decrease the proportion of ingredients used in this face mask as per your requirements. Now I need to mix all the ingredients well together such that there are no lumps left of the gram flour in this face mask. The consistency of this face mask should be thick enough to apply on the face. Gram flour lightens skin complexion and it helps in excluding blackheads from the skin. It lightens skin complexion if used frequently. And it has absolutely no side effects when applied to skin. And cream nourishes our skin and moisturizes it and gives it a healthy, natural, glowing look. After mixing all the ingredients well together, you'll get something like this, and you need this kind of consistency to apply this face mask on your face. The consistency of the face mask should not be too runny, as it would be difficult for you to apply it on your face and let it stay for long. So it should be thick, and apply a thick layer of this face mask on your face, neck and hands as shown. I am applying this face mask on my hand. You need to apply it on your face. After applying this face mask, let it stay for good 20 to 25 minutes on your face. Stay in a still position. Do not talk while this face mask is on. You can apply this face mask 2 to 3 times in a week to get clear and bright skin. If you find this DIY face mask for clear and bright skin genuine and helpful, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel. After applying a thick layer of this face mask, wash it off with normal to cold water after 20 to 25 minutes. This face mask will help you clear the dark patches in your skin and will make your skin clear and bright. For best results, use this face mask 3 times in a week and you'll left with clear and brighter skin. Use this face mask and let me know in the comments below how you like it.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see